Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I want to do a really quick review of the HUANUO Electric Standing Desk that I got off of Amazon. The good folks over there sent this over to me to do a quick review for you guys. I've had it for about 2 months now and it's been absolutely incredible. This particular version is the 40 inches by 24 inches deep version, obviously in the black color. In this video, I just want to kind of give you my review, my thoughts on it, how it was to install it. My thoughts and opinions, obviously the different settings it's got. So let's go ahead and dive into it and see what we got. As far as installation goes, it was super easy. Was able to get it fully set up and built under 15 minutes, which was super nice. As far as the installation goes, there are screws that go along the sides that you have to mount the actual desk to the legs and the frame. The legs are already pre-assembled by default. You've also got to make sure that the controller is attached onto the desk itself, along with the little cable management parts that you can attach on there. But otherwise, it was super easy to set up. Installation was a breeze. I really like how it has the 4 different levels that you can set to all different types of profiles for different heights. If you're wanting to work sitting down, you can do that. And if you want to start working and stand up, you can just press the button to the mode that has it where it's standing up and it will rise up to that level. And then you can work standing up. Makes it super easy. That's one of the main benefits of having an electric standing desk. This desk is also super stable. It has a maximum capacity load weight of 176 pounds. So you can set quite a bit on it before it starts to struggle with the motor. 176 pounds is quite a bit. So you shouldn't have anything more than that on this kind of desk anyways, but if you did, it would be able to handle it. But yeah, guys, if you're looking for a great, solid, super stable electric standing desk, I would highly recommend you guys checking this thing out. It's 40 inches by 24, so that's going to be perfect for most people that just want to work on their laptop or on their desktop, having just a little simple working space where you're able to do your work and it not take up too much space. And if you want to stand up, just able to easily press those buttons and adjust to whatever level you need is a fantastic feature. So if you guys are looking for a great electric standing desk, I would highly recommend you guys checking this one out.